Welcome back, YouTube. I hope you're all having a great day. Let's begin our next challenge, level 4. The goal for this level is to retrieve the password stored in the only human-readable file in the in here directory. I must admit, human-readable is not very specific. What they mean should be a text file. Let's head over to our terminal. As always, we first want to see which files are available to us, so we will make use of the list command. We change directory. Again, we're in a new directory, so let's see what is available to us. Now, we have 10 files available, but only one of them will have the password we need, and that will be the file that is in a text format, or as they call it, human readable. So, how do we know the format of a file? There is a command called file, which will give you exactly that. As it states in the description, file will determine the file type. The way we use this command is we give it the file for which we want it to determine the type. In this case, we want all files, which in terminal vocabulary we would write like this with a star. However, as we saw in level 1, when there are dashes in the file name, it requires special handling. So our command will look like this. We want the current directory, and we want all files in this current directory. This is the result, and we only see one text file, which will be the one with our password. So, and there we have our password. We want to log out, which we do by either typing logout, exit, or Ctrl D. We want to log in into the next level. We successfully logged in. Now we want to register our completion of level 4, so we type the reachal command. Everything is successfully synchronized. Let's check the reachal website. We update. Congratulations on completing level 4. You rock! Thank you for watching this video. Please show your support and hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications to keep up to date with our next achievements.